guys, have you ever been tired lately and just wanted to take a break from reality? So, panibagong content na. So, hindi mo na focus natin ay motovlogging. Our focus is right up there. All of those. They are not toys. They are hobby-grade RC vehicles. Not your typical toy store but RC. These RCs can last for a while since they are durable and every parts you can see here, it's replaceable. You can replace the tires, the shocks, the lights, and everything. That brakes will be replaceable. So, how heavy, you may ask, this car is? It weighs around 6.5 kilos, so it's fairly heavy because most of the parts in here are metal, stainless steel, and mostly durable pieces of engineering. So we will be showcasing to you the MJX H8H, a 1/8 scale crawler RC vehicle. So we got working LED lights up here and working headlights. They got low beam, high beam option, hazard lights. We got it all here in this truck. The tires are very soft compound with foam inserts and hydraulic oil filled shocks. We got a 35 kilo servo there. When you're gonna open this RC, you're just gonna turn this little knob here until it comes off. Then, as you can see, it's a clipless body system, so it looks very clean and scale detail. You just need to pop up this hood like that. So what you have inside is your field-oriented control sensored 3970 2000 kV brushless motor. Then we have your 80 amps FOC vector controlled electronic speed controller, or your ESC, high efficiency, power saving, and low torque control. So it has an XT60 plug for your batteries, and the battery goes here. So your ESC can actually be connected to your phone using your Bluetooth, using the app that is made for this crawler. Inside there, you have your 35 kilo steering servo. So this is where your transmission is located. So all metal gears are here. You can set it to high speed and low speed using this servo right here from your controller connected to this cable wires. This servo actually controls the locking differentials for your front and the locking differentials for your rear, which is there. So there's your main power switch there and stainless steel connected rods with your drive shafts. Everything here is very durable and very long-lasting parts. All of this, you can see here, it's replaceable unlike your typical toy grade RCs. Once they break, they're done. And guys, this is the transmitter that we will be using to control our vehicle. So all the details here are properly labeled, from your steering trim, dual rate trims, high gear and low gear up there, front and rear locking differentials. All you need to supply this is 3 AA batteries. Can run from 2-cell to 3-cell lipolymer batteries, which is this one. So I highly recommend using a high capacity, high discharge lipo battery. So this is a 3-cell 5200 milliampere 60C discharge lipo battery with an XT60 plug. So always controller first, light beam flashes, then press the switch down here. So let's see, by pressing this button right here, you can toggle the lights, high beam, close lights, all lights are open, hazard lights, then your emergency lights. Just look at that beautiful details. Then when you're turning to the left, signal lights turn on, turning to the right, signal lights turn on as well. Then at the back, when you're doing your brakes, there you go, brake light, low gear, then high gear, press it up there. Before we have a test drive, our special guest will be Miss Chen. She will be on to drive the MJX H8H.
Yeah.
Yes, that's how big it is, guys. You can put it down na. Oh, MJX in low gear.